Hi guys, today I'm going to do a little video around the VS1 Chat App. And now this is a brilliant way to communicate with all the employees within the company. You basically have a chat tool built into VS1, and if you're looking to communicate, now that ties in as well with the mobile device, that when you're looking on the mobile device, it'll come through on their mobile, on their phones as well. So they'll get a little ding ding and a little number will come up the top, and you can communicate directly with them from either the desktop version or through the phone. So it's a great way of communicating through the company and sending all the messages out and stuff like that. Now you can create groups, so you might have an administration group or manufacturing group or whatever you want. You can create groups to send out to the group, or you can do it from any other place, just individually send messages between each other like so. So it's just a fantastic way of communicating with everybody out there. Now add to that, whenever you look at any sort of transaction, anything at all, any invoice, anything at all, doesn't matter, any purchase order, it could be absolutely anything. The moment you do anything in here, you might make some adjustments, put a new reference number in, whatever it may be, really doesn't matter. The moment you hit save, VS1 has a built-in messaging system, and it's trying to email and update everybody. So it's trying to tell everybody involved that this invoice has been changed. So you can email the customer, SMS the customer, the users, but I'm just going to turn on the chat app at the moment. So I've made an adjustment to this invoice, and this user is the rep. So he's now going to get an update that there was an adjustment done, like so. So the moment I hit confirm, back on the chat app, that's now updated. You can see the little one. It's put in there that there's been an adjustment made. If I drill into this number, it will take me back to the original invoice. And also on the phone, the chat app is updated there as well. And that's come through straight away onto his phone. You can see it there. And again, the moment you touch anything anywhere, everything else knows about it. It's absolutely fantastic. All right, let me jump back to the desktop. So there you go. Now, that becomes really relevant for when you're doing things like manufacturing or repairs and servicing or anything to do with job allocation or assigning it to staff, whatever it may be. So if I'm looking at a work order list here, just something simple, and it's at the moment it's unscheduled and unassigned. So let's say I want to assign this hub to an employee, and we'll say yes. I'm going to schedule the job, do it all in one hit. And I'm going to assign it, I'll assign it to myself so you can see what's going to happen. Again, the messaging system pops up like so. I'm just going to ignore that and we'll put it on the chat app. I've now assigned that job to that employee. So when I hit confirm, you can see immediately that it's been assigned. I can also check on my chat app, and again I can see the little messaging number there. This job has been assigned, like so. Again, if I click on this link, it'll take me straight to it. And on the mobile, you'll see the little numbers come up on my work order list, that if I want to start the job, and by the way, there's geo-fencing involved as well, so I can't clock on the right place. I'm a few kilometers away, so that's a problem. I then simply select the job I want to run with, which is that one there we just did, hit save, and now my timer starts. So the manager's assigned me that job, it's come up on my phone, I've clocked in and done it, and it's gone through into my chat app. It's also popped up on my mobile phone to make any adjustments I want to do. And for now I'm just going to stop that job, and you can go back to our desktop, and you can see that the communication between all the staff using the chat app is instant, it's real time, and everybody knows what's going on. I hope that made sense. Again, if you want to know more details, please reach out. More than happy to do a one-on-one presentation and go into more detail with it, but I hope that made sense. Thank you.